So we are connecting those lines. We are running sap lines to our maple trees to a main collection point down here, where we'll then collect it, gather it, and run it to our sugar shack over here and boil it down, and then we will we'll make our maple syrup here, and then we'll sell it as a fundraiser, and then these kids will get to have their own maple syrup. And
we can have fresh pancakes with fresh maple syrup.
Yeah.
Favorite Mr. Brown.
That's right. It's going to be delicious. So that's what we're working on. All right, who was going up with me? 1, 2, 3? Okay. All right, let's go. We're going to look here. You got to look for your maple. Come back this way now. Okay, keep going. Now see, the next maple you're going to go to is actually this one right here. We're going to go downhill just a little bit. Oh, hold on, it's underneath it, I think. No? Yeah, okay, we're good. All right, so we're going to extend this line a little bit.
Okay, do you want me to lean it up?
Sure.
I personally really like it, and I'd love to buy some. I think it's more healthy than that wet, sugary maple syrup that you buy at the store that is unhealthy. But, of course, you get your boots muddy. What do you think about it?
I said it's something that the whole school can work on, and it's a whole project for the whole school.
I think it's great for the school, too.